everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we will learn about an awesome topic, verbs. So pay close attention. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Without verbs, our communication would be incomplete. There are several types of verbs, but we'll focus on the main ones. Action verbs. These verbs express physical or mental actions. Run. She runs every morning. Jump. He jumped over the fence. Eat. They eat lunch at noon. Write. She writes in her journal daily. Think. He thinks about his future often. Linking verbs. These verbs connect the subject of a sentence to additional information about the subject. Is. She is a teacher. Seem. They seem tired today. Become. He became a doctor. Appear. The sky appears cloudy. Feel. I feel happy. Auxiliary verbs. These verbs are used together with the main verb to show tense, mood, or voice. Have. She has completed her homework. Do. Do you like ice cream? Will. He will go to the store. Can. They can swim very well. May. She may join us later. By understanding and using verbs correctly, we can communicate our ideas more clearly and effectively. Now I'm going to leave you some exercises for you to answer in the comments. I really hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!